Financial Freedom by Grant Sabatier. Financial freedom, the ability to live life on your own terms without financial stress. Mindset shift, importance of shifting from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. 7 levels of financial freedom. 1. Clarity, the understanding of your financial situation, including income, expenses, debts, and assets. It involves having a clear picture of your financial goals and what financial freedom means to you. Creating a budget, tracking spending, and identifying financial goals. 2. Self-sufficiency, the ability to meet your basic financial needs without reliance on external support or debt. This level indicates that you can cover essential expenses with your income, having a stable job, managing expenses, and building a small emergency fund. 3. Breathing room, having a bit of financial cushion beyond basic needs, allowing for occasional discretionary spending and peace of mind. This level means you can cover unexpected expenses without financial stress. Savings for emergencies, minimal debt, and room in the budget for small luxuries or unexpected costs. 4. Stability, a solid financial foundation characterized by reliable income, controlled expenses, and a consistent savings habit. At this level, you feel secure in your financial situation and can plan for the future. Building a more substantial emergency fund, starting to invest, and paying off debts. 5. Flexibility, the ability to make choices based on personal desires rather than financial necessity. This includes the freedom to take vacations, invest in personal development, or change jobs without significant financial strain. Increased savings and investment, ability to make lifestyle choices, and greater control over work-life balance. 6. Financial independence, the point where your investments generate enough income to cover your living expenses without needing to work actively. This level allows for early retirement or pursuing passions without financial concerns. Significant investment portfolio, passive income streams, and the ability to live comfortably without relying on a job. 7. Financial abundance, a state of having more than enough resources to meet your needs and desires, enabling you to contribute to others and pursue larger dreams. This level encompasses wealth, generosity, and the ability to create opportunities for yourself and others. High net worth, multiple income streams, and a focus on philanthropy or creating positive impact. These levels provide a roadmap for understanding and progressing toward greater financial freedom. Each stage builds upon the previous one, helping individuals achieve their financial goals and live fulfilling lives. 12 Lessons of Financial Freedom. Lesson 1. Understanding money. Money as a tool. Money is a means to achieve goals, not the end itself. Common misconceptions. Addressing myths about money, like the idea that more money equals more happiness. Lesson 2. The importance of mindset, growth versus fixed mindset, emphasizing the value of a growth mindset for financial success. Visualizing goals, the power of visualization and affirmations in achieving financial independence. Lesson 3. Assessing your financial situation, tracking expenses, importance of knowing where your money goes to identify unnecessary expenses. Net worth calculation, understanding assets versus liabilities to assess financial health. Lesson 4. Budgeting basics. Creating a budget, techniques for setting a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals. 50-30-20 rule, allocating income into needs, wants, and savings. Lesson 5. Increasing income. Multiple income streams, importance of diversifying income sources such as side hustles and investments. Value creation, finding ways to provide value in your career or business to increase earnings. Lesson 6. Saving and investing. Emergency fund, building a safety net for unexpected expenses. Investing fundamentals, basic principles of investing, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. Lesson 7. The power of passive income. Passive income, money earned with minimal effort after the initial investment of time or capital. Examples of passive income: rental properties, dividends, and royalties. Lesson 8. Mindful spending. Conscious consumerism, making intentional choices about spending to align with values and goals. The joy of missing out, JOMO. Embracing experiences over material possessions. Lesson 9. Overcoming financial fears. Identifying fears, understanding the fears that hold you back from financial freedom. Taking action, strategies to confront and overcome these fears. Lesson 10. Financial independence. Defining financial independence. What it means to be financially independent and the steps to achieve it. Calculating your FI number. Determining the amount of money needed to achieve financial independence. Lesson 11. Retirement planning. Retirement accounts, understanding pension plan, annuity plan, 100% guaranteed return plan, index fund, SWP, and other retirement savings options. The 4% rule, a guideline for how much you can withdraw from your retirement savings each year. If you have a retirement portfolio of INR 1.8 crore, you would withdraw INR 7.2 lakhs per year, approx. 60k per month. Lesson 12. Mindset for lifelong wealth. Continuous learning, the importance of financial education and adapting to changes. Philanthropy and giving back. How giving can enhance personal fulfillment and community impact. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to get latest videos for happy and prosperous life lessons. Call 9467360506 or visit www.mindcareerexcellence.com for online DMIT test. Your fingerprints discover your inborn, God-gifted talents, skill sets, personality, behavior, learning style, stream selection after 10th and right career options. Thank you.